What's the common side on hot dog? Something looks like a grilled sausage sandwich, where the sausage is served in the slice of partially sliced bun. However, Korean hot dog looks slightly different from ones from the States. I'm pretty sure that its texture and flavor you have never ever experienced before. Basically, Koreans fry it. Probably for this reason, once it goes into mouth, you will hear the crisp sound and spread sweet flavor around throughout your mouth. I'm going to share the easiest recipe how to make Korean style hot dog. Please prepare 3 French sausages, 3 slices of bread, 3 slices of cheddar cheese, 2 eggs, 7 tablespoons breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons strawberry jam, 10 tablespoons frying oil, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon parsley. Are you ready to cook with me?